Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum my all YouTube family. Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to talk about living room designs ideas that will help you create a stylish and comfortable space. Whether you have starting from scratch or just looking to refresh your correct decor, I have got you covered. Let's get started. Create a focal point for everything room. Need a point which is usually the main features of the room that draws your attention. This could be a fireplace, a piece of artwork, or even a statement piece of artwork, or even a statement piece of furniture around it to create a cozy and balanced space. Choose the right furniture. When it comes to living room furniture, it's important to strike a balance between style and comfort. Look for pieces that are both functional and aesthetically pleasing, such as a comfortable sofa or chic coffee tables. Can also add essence chairs or ottomans to provide additional seating. Add textures and colors to make your living room feel cozy and inviting. Add textures and colors with decorative pillows, throws, and rugs. You can also incorporate textures with wall hangings such as macrame or woven tapestries. When selecting color, consider using a natural base with pops of color for a cozy and balanced look. Layer lighting. Just like in the bedroom, lighting is an important element in living room designs. In addition to overhead lighting, incorporate the table lamps and floor lamps to provide task lighting and ambience. You can also add candles or string lights for a cozy and inviting atmosphere. Add personal touches. Finally, do not forget to add personal touches that reflect your personality and style. This could be anything from a family photos or artwork to decorative objects that you have collected over time. These personal touches will make your living room feel like a true reflection of your taste and interest. And there you have it, my top living room design tips and ideas. I hope you found this video helpful and inspiring. Let me know in this comment below which tip was your favorite, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.